participation, but in a very sophisticated and disciplined way. So 52 parents have joined. Few more requests are coming. Yes, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Today's video I will upload in the group as well as on YouTube. So from today onwards I am going to provide that facility.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Ramveer,
Yes.
what is your channel's name in YouTube?
That you will see in that WhatsApp group, no? Everything will be there. Video will be there. That link will also be there. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, in your own WhatsApp group or our WhatsApp group?
No, that our class WhatsApp group is there, no?
Okay.
In that I will send. Along with the attendance also. Online attendance. So I think 55 parents, 55 students have joined.
Sir, start now.
Yes,
Sir, start.
yes, wait. Few more requests are there for admission.
Now please start.
Please don't present anything. Ramila Chaudhary is showing presenting. Please don't present anything.
JP, please mute yourself. Sir,
See,
your voice is not coming.
yes, no, again I am telling you. When the period will go on, recording of the video will start. Audio as well as video both. So before speaking you see that it is in the recording mode. You can ask the doubt, no problem. But unnecessary things should not be there. And your microphone should be on mute.
Please mute yourself.
Whatever just now anybody has said, that will also come in the recording.
Sir, we are on 7th question.
Yes. Now 59 have joined. Now shall we start? It is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you thank God? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody mute yourself.
please
Okay, sir.
mute the microphone. Again I am telling student, this video will be recorded. Whatever you will speak, not related to this problem, whatever we will solve on the board, that will come in the recording, which is not good. For going the period smoothly, you have to keep the microphone mute so that both the audio and video facility will be there in the recording. Now let us start. It is 5-minute grace is given for joining. 16.
Sir, we are on question number 7.
Yes. Now let us start. Now keep the microphone on mute. How I will be able to hear?
Here.
My voice is audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us start.
Yes, sir.
Question number 7. Question number 7. Let us start. Find the smallest. Find the smallest. Find the smallest and the greatest number. Smallest and the greatest number. Smallest and the greatest number in each case. In each case. Find the small.
My screen is hang.
Yes, wait.
Sir, only your photo is showing. Not anything.
Wait.
फोटो भी नहीं दिखा रहा वो. Sir, you have leave.
No, I am there in the meeting.
But now I can see you.
Yes, I am able.
Sir, I can see you.
Yes. Find the smallest and
I
the.
cannot see you.
Everybody can see me. I am able to see. All of you on the screen of the laptop. Keep the microphone mute. Find the smallest and the greatest number in each case. Now numbers are given. First 983, comma 5754.
It's hanging.
Wait. I am doing. Yes, I am doing set. Yes, wait. I am doing setting of the board.
Sir, I cannot see you.
Wait.
Sir, I can see now.
Yes.
Sir, now you are visible.
Yes. Now keep the mic.
No, sir. I can see you.
Keep the microphone mute.
I can see you now. No, sir.
Keep the microphone mute. Now you are able to see me clearly. 983, 5754, 84, 84,
Everyone, please mute yourself.
5942,
Mukesh, mute कर.
5942.
Please mute कर अपना.
From these four numbers, keep the microphone on mute. From these four numbers, you have to find the smallest and the greatest. Second,
Sir, I'm shouting. We can't hear you.
yes. Now,
Sir, they are not muting themselves.
mute the microphone. Mute the microphone.
We cannot hear you.
Keep the microphone mute. Find the smallest number. 983. 983. This is 3 digit. This is 3 digit number. This is 3 digit. This is 3 digit number. 3 digit number. This is 4 digit number. 4 digit number. 80.
You have to do this.
Yes, I am solving this. 84 is 2 digit. And 5942, this is 4 digit. From these 4 numbers, we have to find the smallest and the greatest.
Sir, 804. Sir, 84.
Wait.
84. Sir, 84.
Yes.
Sir, 84.
Smallest. See here.
942 is the biggest.
You don't have to speak in between because I am recording the video. Whichever numbers are given, the number which has more number of digits is a bigger number. This is 3 digit, 4 digit, 2 digit, 4 digit. So the number which has less number of digit, 2 digit, will be smallest.
942.
Smallest is 84 and greatest greatest.
Is 500 to 5,900.
See, there are two numbers with 4 digits, 5754, 5942.
594.
Out of these two numbers, one number will be greatest. 5 left digit you have to see. To compare these two number of 4 digit, you have to see the left digit. 5 same. Then 7 9. 7 9. Which is bigger? 9. So this number is greatest. 5942. 5942. This is greatest number. If the number of digits are less, that number will be smallest, and the number which will have more number of digits will be greatest. 84 has 2 digits, so this is smallest number.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why we should write 3 digit, 4 digit, 2 digit and 4 digit? To understand.
Yes, to understand this, just I have written that this is 3 digit. There is no need to write. To make you understand, I have written that part. Now, let us do the second. Second one, let us do. Second, this is first. Now, second numbers are given 32849, 32849, comma 53628, 53628,
53628.
comma 5499, 5499,
Hurry, please meet yourself.
5499 and 54909. Find the smallest and the greatest. So first I will count the number of digits. This is 5 digit. This is 5 digit. This is 4 digit.
4 digit.
Yes, 4 digit. And this is 5 digit.
Again 5.
Yes, 5 digit. So the number which have less number of digit will be smallest number. So smallest number. Yes, what is smallest number?
5,499.
4 digit is smallest number. That is 5.
Biggest is 5,499.
5499.
499.
Yes. Then largest or greatest number. Greatest number. Wait. Let me explain.
4,999.
Yes. Don't say in between. All are in the recording mode. Let me speak. Let me explain. Now for greatest number, there are 3 5-digit number. This is 5 digit. This is 5 digit. This is 5 digit. So whenever number of digits are same, you have to compare the numbers. You have to compare the digits from left. Leftmost digit you have to start comparing. This is 3. This is 5. This is 5. So this 3 is smaller. So this is left. This will not be greatest. So these two, 53628, 54909. Now compare 5, 5, 3, 4. This
54909 is bigger.
this
That is why.
wait, don't speak in between. 53628, 54909, they are all 5 digits. 5, 5 same, 3, 4, 4 is bigger than 3. So this number will be greatest number. 54909 is greatest number. Is greatest number.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
will be the greatest.
See, if four numbers are equal, four numbers are not equal. If their digits are equal, then we have to. If digits are equal, then you have to compare the number from left. Left digit you have to compare. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Form the greatest and the smallest.
Rohit Thakkar is present. Stop presenting.
Yes. Nobody should present. Nobody should present in between.
Sir, the board is not clear.
It is very much clear.
Yes, sir.
You keep your phone horizontally. Form the greatest and the smallest.
Mute yourself, everybody.
Mute the microphone. Smallest
Mute yourself, everybody.
4-digit number.
Sir, you have to write this.
Write this. Question number 8.
Sir, you have to.
Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers.
Raghu Chetty, please.
Using the given digits.
Cannot hear.
Using the given digits without repetition means you don't have to repeat the digit. Without repetition. Now first question is 3, 7. You are given 4 digits. 3, 7, 2, 5. 4 digits are given.
Yes, just like a descending order.
Yes. 3, 7, 2, 5.
Yes, Atharva.
For smallest number, you have to write them.
Your rice is cutting.
Yes. For smallest number, you have to write them in the ascending order. Keep the microphone on mute. Let us solve this.
Palvari Rao, please mute yourself.
3, 7, 2, 5.
Please mute yourself.
3, 7, 2, 5.
Palvari Rao, please mute.
3, 7, 2, 5. Smallest number. Mute the microphone. Smallest and greatest. For smallest number, keep the microphone mute.
Mute yourself.
See, for smallest number, yes, keep the microphone mute. Now for smallest number, I will start with the digit which is smaller. 3, 7, 2, 5. 2 is smaller. That I will write first. Then after 2, 3. Then 5. Then 7. For smallest number, we start with the smallest digit. That is 2. After 2, 3, 5, 7. For greatest number,
Ascending order.
yes, for greatest number, we start with the greatest digit. What is greatest digit? 3, 7, 2, 5, 7. Now write down this 7. For greatest number, start with the greatest digit 7. After 7, 5.
5,
After 5, 3.
3,
Then 2.
2.
And
Sir, we have to write upper one only, but from behind we have to start.
yes. In this smallest, we are writing the number. we are writing the number in the ascending order. We are writing the number in the ascending order for smallest. For greatest, we are writing the number.
The number is starting with 0, then in greatest, what the number will come?
See, yes, good question. Let me explain that. See, number starting with 0. Number starting with 0. For example, 2. 2 is same as 02. 2 and 02 they are same. If the number 0 is before that, if the number start with 0, this 2 is same as 02. So if this 0 is before that number, it has no value. But if this 0 is after the number, it will have value. So if the 0 is before the number and it is starting with 0, the number will remain same. 02 is same as 2. Is it clear? 02 is same as 2. So,
Sir,
yes,
sir,
yes, yes.
I have solved this greatest one on my own. You are solving of
Smallest and greatest.
like
Second
only
one,
yourself.
you can solve 6149. 6149. 4 digits are there. Find smallest number. Smallest. Start with the smaller digit. 1, 4, 6, 9. Greatest number.
99641.
9. Start with the greatest digit. 9, 6,
641.
4, 1.
1.
Then third,
So just we have to opposite the order.
yes, 70. Now this question, there is digit 0 also. 7042. 7042. Now nobody will speak in between. I have to explain this part. Let us write smallest number. For smallest number, we have to start with the smallest digit. Smallest digit is 0. If I will start with 0 and then write 2, 02 is same as 2. Is it clear? So smallest number start with the smallest digit, that is 0, 2, 4, 7. Wait. If you write with 0, 2, 4, 7, this 0 starting with 0 has no value.
Sir, I have solved.
So this remains 247, which is 3-digit number. 0247 is 3-digit number, and we want 4-digit number. So we will not start with 0. This 0 I will write in between. First, after 0 there is 2. So I will write 2. Then I will write 0. 2047. 2047. If you start with 0, 247, 02 has no meaning. This is 2 only.
Don't have value.
Yes.
Any
So
value.
you will not start with 0. First you will write 2, then 0. Now greatest number.
Sir, this we have to write.
Right. Greatest number, start with the greatest
Sir,
digit.
7240.
7, 4, 2, 0. Start with the greatest digit for greatest
Sir,
number.
this we have to write.
Right. You have to write.
Where? Atharva, please mute yourself.
Then fourth one.
Pallavi Roy, please mute.
See here, today's video I am going to upload in the group. So if you are not keeping your microphone on mute, whatever you will speak, that will come in the recording. So keep the microphone on mute. Fourth is 1853. 1853. 1853. Arrange this digit 1853. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number. Start with the smallest digit 1,
I got.
1, 3, 5, 8.
Don't shout.
Greatest number. Greatest number. Start with the greatest digit is 8. After 8, 5. After 5,
Sir,
3.
we understood.
Then after 3, 1. Then fifth we have 9607. 9607.
Sir, in this also same method, no?
Yes, same method, because 0 digit is there. So smallest, start with the smallest digit, which is 0. But writing 0 in the beginning will have no value. So after 0 there is 6. Yes, keep the microphone mute. After 0 there is 6. So I will write 6, 0, 7, 9. Greatest, start with the greatest digit
9, 7.
9, 7, 6, 0. So in this way we write the smallest number and greatest number of 4 digit, where none of the digit is repeating. Digit is not repeating.
Sixth one is also there.
There is no 6th one. Now we have next question.
Sir, what is the homework?
You want homework?
Yes. Yes, we want, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
homework I will give
Yes, sir.
before 5 minutes of the period. So now write question number 9. This question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Question number 9. Right. Form the greatest. Form. This is important. Form the greatest.
Sir, this is homework.
Not homework. This I will explain, and then I will give the form the greatest and the smallest and the smallest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number. Yes. Number
Om, please move yourself. You are coming
Using-
in between.
using any 3 different digits. Using any 3 different digits. Using any 3 different digits. Using any 3 different digits, with the condition that the digit 6 is
Excuse me, sir.
always at unit place. The digit 6 is always
I didn't understand this.
at unit or ones place?
Atharva, please mute yourself. Do the sum. I cannot understand.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't understand.
No. First you write the question. I am explaining this.
Sir, wait a second. I am coming.
Yes. You have to form. You have to form. First write the question.
Sir, I didn't doubt.
Write the question.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes.
Sir. Sir, I have doubt.
Ask the doubt. What doubt you have?
Sir,
Yes.
we are doing right sum. This is homework, but I don't know how to do this. So how I can do
Wait, that is what I am telling.
not homework.
This is not homework. First you
This is not homework.
see here. The best part of learning maths is reading the question at least once. At least once. With very much patience, you should read the each and every line of the question. Without reading the question, you will not be able to solve any problem. So you should have patience in reading the question. You should not become patienceless.
Sir, it is blur. I can't see.
Now it is clear. Let me explain. You have to form 3-digit number. Smallest.
Right?
Smallest
Yeah, sir, it.
and greatest. Smallest and greatest.
Sir, repeat the question.
Yes. Form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using any 3-digit. You have to form. Mute the microphone. You have to form 3-digit number. Smallest number and greatest number. 3-digit. 3-digit number. You want 3-digit numbers. Smallest number
Now I can see it.
and greatest number.
Properly, no?
3-digit number, smallest number and greatest number.
Aditya, properly, no?
Now 3-digit number you want,
Okay,
But-
please keep quiet.
but the condition is given that in smallest and greatest number, both the number at unit place, there should be 6. This is unit place.
600.
This is unit place. This is 10. This is 100. This is unit
610.
10, 100. So now at unit place, 6 is always at unit place. So we have 6.
610.
We have 6. We have, wait, in both smallest and greatest, both at the unit place there is 6.
We can't see the board.
Board is very much clear.
Everybody, please keep your microphone
6,
off.
6.
No,
Now, in those 3 digits, smallest and greatest number, 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. Unit place, there is 6 always in both. Now you have to select 2 digit for smallest and 2 digit for greatest. Yes. Select.
610 is smallest, 699.
No, wait.
Hey, Rohan,
You are starting your number with 6, which is wrong because 6 is at the unit place. 6 is at the unit place. So smallest for these 2 digit, I will select 2 smallest number. 2 smallest number. I will select 0 and 1. 0 and 1. I will not start with 0. I will write 1, then I will write 0, then I will write 6. 106. This is 106. 6 is at unit place. What about this greatest? In both the number, unit place must have 6.
9986.
Now
996.
for greatest, select two greatest digit. Select two greatest digit. So greatest is 9, then 8, 6. So greatest number is 986. Greatest number is 986. Yes, because see,
In
for
this we have to only put the greatest and smallest.
yes, because see, condition is at unit place there must be 6. Unit place must have 6. And for these two digit, I will select greatest digit 986. This one, unit place 6. Yes, don't speak in between.
Please mute your microphone.
Now write homework. Write homework. Homework. Write a homework. Right. Form the greatest. Form the greatest. Write a homework. Form the greatest and smallest. Write homework. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. Question. Homework. Numbers using the given digits.
Everybody please keep quiet.
See, this video I am going to upload, so please keep the microphone on mute. Still some of the parents they are talking, which is not permissible in the lecture. So write this. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. Using the given digits. Using the given digits.
Can't able to see. We can't able to see.
It is very much clear.
So the 10th question is homework, no?
10th question I will do in the class. After 9th I am giving homework. This question you have to write. Without repetition. Without repetition. Yes. First 9, 4, 8, 2. Second.
Sir, somebody is whistling.
Yes, that is what it will come in the record.
Please don't shout.
8, 0, 3, 5. You have to find the greatest number and smallest number. Third question. 7, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2. 4, 9.
We have to write.
Alright,
without
0,
greatest and
7,
smallest.
6. Find the greatest number and the smallest number using the 4 digits without repetition.
Sir, I understand what you.
So you try to solve this homework. Yes.
Sir, I have also in data smallest and greatest upper one. There you had written HTU. It is compulsory or just for the
No. This part I have written for your understanding. This part I have written for your understanding. Directly you can write. I have written STU means 3-digit number. It will have tens. It will have unit place. It will have 10. It will have 100. 3-digit number 1, 2, 3. This is unit place. This is unit place.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, homework. Sir, my homework is done.
So
Sir, bye.
by send the homework on the personal number.
Sir, can you repeat the Sir, side. Sir, bye. Sir, we can. Sir, what is bye?
Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of sir? Wait.
What is the meaning of?
You.
Where?
Sir, I can't see the board properly.
Board is very much clear. Now I am uploading this. See, I am uploading this video in the group. You can see that video. You will be able to hear my voice also. You will be able to see the board also, what is written there. So this video I am going to upload in the group. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye everybody.
Bye, sir.
Do the homework.
Excuse me, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, bye, bye everybody. Bye. Is it clear? Is it clear?